In the heart of every successful project lies meticulous planning, precise execution, clear communication, and continuous innovation. Welcome to the world of Immersive Project Controls, powered by Mission Room and Prescience technology. Here, in this immersive environment, project performance is not just enhanced, it's transformed.
Led by the renowned team at Prescience Technology, Immersive Project Controls and Mission Room revolutionize the way capital projects are managed.
This isn't your ordinary meeting. With Immersive Project Controls, participants are transported into a realm of dynamic simulation and real-time data analysis in a far more engaged and collaborative manner.
With IPC, every moment is an opportunity for hands-on development, idea genesis, problem solving, and practical, relevant construction innovation. But it's not just about individual growth. Immersive Project Controls fosters collaboration, teamwork, and effective problem solving, a trifecta of confidence in Australian capital projects.
And the best part? By providing a risk-free environment for complex problem solving and cooperation, Immersive Project Controls helps manage cost and minimize your project risk.